at our show. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you your United States Navy's FA18 capability of the FA18 Superhornet. A larger fuselage, but still based on that incredibly successful, proven design of the FA-18 Hornet. From the left, it's the Superhornet minimum radius turn. To continue to allow it to accelerate all the way through this very tight maneuver. Stand out to the right and set up for a high-speed pass. And I'm going to give it a try to see if we can talk live to the cockpit and say hello to Cuddles and Rooney. See if they can give us the speeds as they come through for this high.
Come up to 0.9 Mach right now. Finish under 2. 395. That's 0.95.
Now, as Cuddles and Rooney prepare for their next maneuver, watch them. They set up for the vertical pirouette. They'll reach show center. They'll climb straight up. They'll roll the canopy toward the ground and watch them as this aircraft does basically what is known as a hammerhead stall turn. To a 90-degree climb to about 4,500 feet, pull hard, go over the top, inverted at 4,500 feet, pull the throttles to idle, another 90-degree pull pointing it straight down at the ground, and then at 3,000 feet, pull another 90 degrees and square that loop. Ladies and gentlemen, dual digital flight control computers allow the FA18 Superhornet to perform the square loop. From VFA 106 here at Naval Air Station Oceana, Brian McCarthy and Jake Lerner. Watch him square it off.
You guys don't have it?
Yeah. We're going to make it quiet, or at least comparatively quiet, as we get ready to break. Talk about being a good neighbor. No noise complaints from that. Quite frankly, I hope this weekend there are a lot of noise complaints. That's 115 miles per hour. Look at that. It looks like they're standing still, Rooney.
Just slow down. There's
That's less than 5 miles an hour. You're not getting those makes some noise so they can hear you in the cockpit. You guys hear that? They'll approach from the right and rapidly execute two high-performance turns, demonstrating the Superhornet's agility. Few aircraft in the world today can match this capability. This is the Rhino pitch rate demo. Now, we've seen some of this before with the fleet air power demo, but we're going to watch a carrier break. When the carrier fleet is in flight operations on... Got it. Thanks, guys. That's 460 miles an hour. Watch for the turn. This is the carrier break. See the afterburners falling. This is going to be a high-G decelerating turn. They'll come out of afterburner. They will then shut down or go back to a slower speed, get down to about 250 knots of nautical miles per hour. They'll lower the landing gear, and you guys going to do a touch and go for us?
coming around for a touch and go for low transition.
Down right on the spot. The throttles come forward, and they've got power for the low transition to go around and do it again. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the United States Navy's FA18 Superhornet. This is a great opportunity to see the old and the new seat pass. Here for you guys. Press towards 3 o'clock and the presentation and flight of your United States Navy's Flight Demonstration Squadron, the Blue Angels. Here's the Rhino carrier break.